Now, the fathers in this audience may agree with me if I said that daughters may tend to grow up, but in the eyes of a father, that daughter will always be a little girl. Tonight, we will witness that emotional bond between the daughter and the father as the bride shares a dance with her beloved father. Manishaki, if you could please come to the dance floor. You will be accompanied by your father. Janalaya, there is nothing more important for a father than to let her daughter have one last dance before she goes and starts this wonderful journey with another man.
අමතක වන්නේ ආදරය ඇයයිදු මගේ පනයි අද ඔබගේ සෙවනේ පුතුනේ ජීවිතය ගලයි කාලය ඉගිලයි ඔබ කුලගේ ගිනි පහන් දිලේ ඔබ කුලගේ ගිනි පහන් Bye.